Hello, today discussion by steel iron cutting and welding, designed to table. Watch this video in full and give your comments. Put on safety glasses or a face shield, ear protection, gloves, and appropriate clothing. Hold the grinder firmly with both hands and switch it on. Slowly lower the spinning disc onto the metal along the marked line. Apply gentle pressure, letting the weight of the grinder do most of the work. Keep a steady hand and follow the marked line, adjusting your position as needed. Avoid forcing the grinder, as this can cause the disc to wear unevenly or break. If the metal starts to overheat, take breaks to allow it to cool down. Overheating can cause warping and damage to the disc. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including welding helmets, gloves, aprons, and safety glasses. Ensure adequate ventilation to avoid inhaling harmful fumes. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and be aware of flammable materials in the work area.
Use a chipping hammer to knock off the slag, a byproduct of the welding process, especially in stick and flux cord welding. After chipping off the slag, use a wire brush to remove any remaining debris and smooth the weld. For more substantial excess material or uneven surfaces, use an angle grinder with an appropriate grinding disc. This helps to smooth the weld bead and remove any spatter. Wipe down the area with a clean, dry cloth after applying the solvent. Apply a protective coating if necessary, such as paint or a corrosion inhibitor, to protect the weld from environmental damage. Cleaning welding points properly helps in maintaining the integrity and appearance of the weld and extends the lifespan of the welded structure. Suitable for welding steel to cast iron or wrought iron, as it provides good control and penetration. Versatile and effective for welding steel to iron, especially for thicker materials or when working outdoors. Provides precise control and high-quality welds, ideal for thin materials or intricate work. In some cases, stainless steel electrodes can be used, but they may not be as effective as nickel-based ones for cast iron. For welding wrought iron to steel, mild steel electrodes can be used, but preheating and proper technique are crucial. Use short weld passes to reduce heat buildup and prevent cracking. Allow the joint to cool between passes to control heat input and avoid excessive heat buildup. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including welding gloves, a helmet, and protective clothing. Welding steel to iron can be challenging due to the different properties of the materials, but with proper preparation, the right techniques, and careful execution, a strong and durable weld can be achieved. Today video steel iron design to iron table and iron welding tips. Thank my video comeback next video. Bye bye.